Experience luxury and performance with this stunning 2014 BMW X3 xDrive28i, a perfect blend of style, power, and versatility. With dealer service history and up-to-date Georgia emissions, this vehicle is ready for the road, and you can trust it's been well cared for. This dealer-certified pre-owned BMW comes backed by our Quality Plus warranty, offering you 3 months or 3,000 miles of coverage for added peace of mind. When you purchase this BMW, you can also add our 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price, in addition to the advertised price, keeping your BMW running like new for years to come. Plus, you can ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade at the time of sale for even more protection. And as always, we encourage a pre-purchase inspection to ensure your complete satisfaction. Drive away with confidence in a vehicle that's been thoroughly inspected, backed by quality, and ready for your next adventure. Visit us today and test drive this BMW X3 xDrive28i. Your luxury ride awaits.